firstly congratulations for your movie. So कैसा जा रहा है शूटिंग पीरियड और कितना फन कर रहे हैं और क्या कुछ सीखने मिल रहा है इस मूवी के दौरान आपको?
Thank you very much for your kind words. पिक्चर तो कंप्लीट हो चुकी है मैम. अभी हमने फ़िलहाल में कल डबिंग भी कर ली है. फाइनल मिक्स तैयार हो जाएगा तो 22 दिसंबर को रिलीज़ भी हो जाएगी. बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, काफ़ी यादगार. टू बी इन अ स्पेस टू बी पार्ट ऑफ सच अ बिग स्केल फिल्म, मतलब कि इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ IRF. देन टू बी directed by Ali Abbas Zafar, who is coming into this film after Sultan. Then also Salman Bhai and Katrina, Tiger and Zoya, it's their film. मैं एक छोटा हिस्सा हूँ इस फिल्म का, बहुत एक इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर है मेरा. सो टू बी उनकी वजह से मुझे भी लोग देखेंगे. सो आई एम प्रीटी हैप्पी अबाउट दैट फैक्ट.
So when and how you got this contract? कब आपको मिला?
Ali came and saw Pink. And after that he spoke to me. He said there's something for you and we should meet. And I met and I went to IRF and he said आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ लो, आपको एक कैरेक्टर कैसा लग रहा है. He asked my point of view and I said अगर सर आप मुझे मौका दे रहे हो, इससे बड़ी बात मेरे लिए नहीं हो सकती to be associated with IRF and then after see any reason why I should not be on this project.
So what's your character in this?
See, I play an agent. He goes on the mission with Tiger to save 25 nurses, Indian nurses. So वो तो ट्रेलर में आपको पता ही चल गया. But the thing is, my character is very sure of his abilities. He is very well trained in fight, in body compact, in action, in gun handling. So he's very sure of himself. He's a man more of action and less of words. There's a certain kind of calm and composure that this character has, which can be associated a little bit with his attitude. But out and out, he's a complete positive guy.
So what sort of workshop you gone through for this movie?
How does a raw agent think? उसका body language क्या होता है? किस तरीके से एक surety होती है. At the same time, their life is always, they are putting their life forward, like on the line for their country, and they're okay with it. So for them, whatever breath they are taking, this just could be that last moment of survival, and they're completely okay with it.
So how was your experience working with Salman sir, and what sort of bond you share after this movie?
The experience has been great. I've known him for a while now, but to know him personally, the man behind the stardom of Salman Khan, was really heartwarming. To be associated with him, I wanted him to see my body of work. Now I'm fortunate enough through Tiger he'll see it, and it's great because he's one person. If he gets involved with you and if he likes you, then he makes sure that he takes you further ahead. He looks into your career, and he's concerned individual, and I really like that about him.
So what sort of nature, anything you have intake from Salman sir?
He's a very hard-working individual. He eats, breathes cinema all the time. I'm not even I could be 30 years old, but he's been in the industry for 30 years. That kind of experience he has. He's always talking about films. He's very passionate about it. He's got a great sense of understanding. वो तो सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंस से ही आता है, टाइम से आता है. But I've been very fortunate to have spent a lot of personal time with him, to be in a space where now I have a good bond with him, where we've gone beyond discussing just work or acting capabilities. It's gone more towards the fact that he understands me as a human being. He understands where I come from. There's a lot of regard for each other's families. Our fathers are friends. So it's gone to that level, and I'm really grateful that it has shaped up like that.
So what sort of changes you find after working with Salman sir and after working Tiger Zinda?
Changes in what?
In your personality?
See, I would say that you, as an actor, you grow with every film. In this film, it's been very different because you have to come like water and flow like water, because Salman Bhai is a very spontaneous actor. And he has an ability to lift up a scene anyhow. Whatever the text is written on paper, if he feels that he can better it, he betters it, and he just doesn't better it for himself, he betters it for the co-actor also. So a lot of times he told Ali, he said, Ali, मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, ये बोलता हूँ, it works in the scene, और फिर अंगद ये बोलेगा, it works in the scene. So I'm just very fortunate and grateful to be in his under his wings, because one, you learn, and second is, because of him you are seen, so I have everything to gain.
Yeah. So you always work with a big personality. So what what you feel like, what you have intake from everyone, every movie and everything which from with whom you have worked?
See, big personalities, I just think I've lucked out, whether it's been Mr. Bachchan, Salman Bhai, Katrina, Kangana and Ongli, Imran Hashmi. These are the names I've, in my Alia Bhatt, India's Zindagi, or for that matter, Ritesh Deshmukh or Arshad Varsi and Faltu. So I just feel that coming from these spaces of working with such big stalwarts, especially Mr. Bachchan, Salman Bhai, you become more sure of yourself. Here you standing in front of such big stalwarts, you also want to prove a point as an actor that एक होता है कि आप सहम जाओ, दूसरा होता है कि आप करके दिखा जाओ. So I've always liked a challenge. I like to be in a position where I put in a difficult situation, and for me I want to prove myself, and what better way to prove than to be in front of such big amazing two legends who run this industry.
So you have worked in web series, like in Bollywood, even in the TV you have worked for a show. So you have done like every genre. So anything left you want to do ahead?
I just want to continue doing good work as far as content is concerned, whether it's VODs, video on demands on Amazon Prime or Netflix or whichever it is, or like features and films. I feel because this is a great time to be part of Indian cinema. Times have changed. There are new films are written. There's a lot of respect given to not just before it used to be a male-dominated industry. Now females are dominating it, and main characters are written for them. Like Vidya Balan is doing a phenomenal job. So is Deepika Padukone. So it's great to see Alia Bhatt is carrying films on her own shoulders. Katrina Kaif is doing phenomenally well. So it's great to see people coming up, and it's great to see roles written in a very diverse fashion. So as long as there's great content out there, I would love to grab it and be part of it.
So any sort of genre, like any role you want to do?
No, there's nothing like that. I just feel that as long as it's exciting, it's not repetitive, it's not the same, I would like to be part of it.
So you have expanded yourself a lot day by day, mashallah. So what you think, what will be your life ahead?
I honestly don't know, ma'am, what's there in store, but I'm just trying to put my best foot forward. I'm just trying to be as committed as possible and very honest to my body of work. So as long as that is there, I keep on working, people keep on seeing my work and giving me more work. Right now that is the aim, to do as much as possible, to be part of different banners as producers and bigger makers who understand, who also writers. So life becomes a lot easier when you work with people like Shujit Da, Ali Abbas Zafar, Gauri Shinde, now Shahid Ali I'm working with, XL I work with Karan Anshuman for Inside Edge. So once you work with these kind of people now, you also start growing.
Yeah.
So growth is important.
Yeah. So even you have said to my colleague like you have worked with Diljit sir. So how was your experience, or what sort of bond you have shared with him?
Diljit Dosanjh is apart from being a big star, he's also a very humble and a very loving person. He's a great guy. He's very honest to his work. He's a very committed person. He's despite having a big stardom in Punjab and like all the countries like Canada, America, UK, Australia, people love him there. The kind of adulation that he has, yet being so down to earth, he's very committed to his work, and it's great to see. He's a very good actor, and he is a very rooted personality. So we've had some really good moments through this film. I've been a very big fan of his work. I've seen all of his work in Hindi and in Punjabi cinema, and I've loved the videos that he's made. His music video, especially Panch Tara is one song. There's Patiala Peg is another song. Proper Patola is another song. Now he's come out with El Sueño. This one song that has come out, that's also it's big. It's ringing the chart busters. So he's doing exceptionally well. It's great to see a turbaned male lead. He brings a lot of pride to not just our religion but also to our country, and the whole of Punjab loves him. It's because of him a lot of people have gone and won their turbans back, and that's a great identity to have.
Yep.
So I'm very proud of that fact.
So after Pink, you're working again with Taapsee for biopic. So we love to know what's...
Taapsee and I share a very good bond. We work together. it's like we both are from Delhi, you know, so we have that understanding. I've had my really good moments with shooting Pink with her, promoting it. Now again, she also from Pink moved on to various other films. I also moved on to other projects, but we come back with the same synergy, you know. So it's great. She's a lot of fun. She's very hardworking, and she's a committed girl. So and I'm looking forward. Now I go back 4 or 5 days to finish the film. She'll be there, so we have a great time with each other.
So we love to know about the biopic also, Sulma. What it's all about.
It's based on Sandeep Singh's life and times. The film is about two brothers, Sandeep and Bikram. How they, you know, how they were like they played hockey. They came from what kind of background. It's more of a family, emotional family drama. How Sandeep gets shot in the spine and all, and then how does he come back? It's his struggle, and how his brother sacrifices a lot for him. His dad's struggle. It is the struggle of the family. Then obviously hockey is in the backdrop, and then how committed, how well he comes back playing his hockey is the story that I can reveal as of now. But it's great to work with Shad because he makes emotional dramas very well. I've like whether it was from the beginning, whether it was Sathiya to Bunty Bubbly to Jhoom Barabar Jhoom, you know, and obviously coming to another Kill Dil and OK Janu. So now he's coming back with this one. So it's a great association. Sony's producing it. It's because of Sneha Rajani that I entered the industry. Our producer in Sony, she gave me that opportunity to host the IPL, and now we are working together. So I'm pretty grateful to her for putting her faith in me. And let's see how it goes.
So what's the promotional strategy ahead
For
this movie, Tigers in the
that, YRF will decide. It's the other producers, Salman Bhai will decide, and Ali. So once we know, then we'll figure it out. अभी सब कुछ finally हो रहा होगा. अभी तो dubbing ही करी है. 10-15 दिन तो रह गए release के लिए. So everything will be now chock-a-block, back to back.
Lastly, what do you want to say to your fans? Like, we will love to know by your mouth when it's gonna release and whatsoever you want to say to your fans.
I don't even know if I have a fan base, but thank you for saying that. All the people who watch me in whatever work little I've done, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being there. Please, obviously, you will watch Tigers in the Hai because of Salman Bhai, and I'll be lucky enough to be in that film, and you'll see me as well. Moving forward, I'm trying to do a lot of work that comes my way. Your support will mean a lot. I know you have really enjoyed Pink and Inside Edge. Hopefully you'll enjoy Tiger also, and then we'll connect more with other kind of characters that I'm trying to portray, and hopefully whatever pluses or minuses you feel I'm lacking in, please do come and tell me, and I shall await your response.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.